Hello friends, Salam Doston, welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 25. And we'll start with the word temperature, ҳарорат, ҳарорат, ҳарорат. Okay, so the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. ҳарорат 35 daraja garm ast. ҳарорат 35 daraja garm ast. And we use the word garm here. Garm means hot. But when we talk about below or above zero we say garm. For example, 5 degrees above zero, 5 daraja garm. And cold, below zero, we say khunuk. 5 degrees below zero, 5 daraja khunuk. And in Tajikistan, we use Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Kilogram, 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 kilogram. I need 2 kilograms of rice. Ба ман 2 килограмм биринҷ лозим аст. Ба ман 2 килограмм биринҷ лозим аст. In the north part of Tajikistan, we usually say gurunch instead of birinj. So don't be surprised if you hear people saying gurunch instead of birinj. Kilometer, 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 kilometer. And some people, especially Russians, they say kilometer. So kilometer, not kilometer. Okay, so we ran for 10 kilometers. Мо ба масофаи 10 километр давидем. Мо ба масофаи 10 километр давидем. And you can also say мо 10 километр давидем. Instead of ба масофаи, just мо 10 километр давидем. Liter, 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 liter. So Akmal drinks at least 3 liters of water every day. And Akmal is a male name. So Akmal har roz na kamtar az 3 litr об менӯшад. Akmal har roz na kamtar az 3 litr об менӯшад. Height, баландӣ, баландӣ, баландӣ. And at the end, long E. So, I'm afraid of heights. Ман аз баландӣ метарсам. Ман аз баландӣ метарсам. Length, дарозӣ, дарозӣ, дарозӣ. So, it's about a meter in length. дарозӣ он тақрибан 1 метр аст. дарозӣ он тақрибан 1 метр аст. Width, бар, бар, бар. And it's not about the place where you can get a drink, but just width, okay? Бар. So, the road has a width of 5 meters. Бари роҳ 5 метрро ташкил медиҳад. Бари роҳ 5 метрро ташкил медиҳад. And also, people use the word vasegi sometimes. So vasegi is borrowed from Arabic, and they mean the same, vasegi and bar. Weight, вазн, вазн, вазн. So, what's your weight? Вазни шумо чанд аст? Вазни шумо чанд аст? And usually we say, in the north, we say шумо чанд кило? Шумо чанд кило? It's more informal. And if you want to say like she lost weight, and the word lost, lose, will be gum kardan. So we don't translate it literally. We say vay kharob shud. She lost weight. Vay kharob shud. As you can see, there is no vazn there because we don't translate it literally. Vay kharob shud. And she gained weight will be vay farbeh shud. Vay farbeh shud. Heavy, вазнин, вазнин, вазнин. This box is very heavy. این قوطی خیلی وزنین است. این قوطی خیلی وزنین است. And some people, instead of وزنین, they say vazbin. So they mean the same, vazbin or vaznin. Light, сабук, сабук, сабук. So this suitcase is light. این جامدان سبک است. این جامدان سبک است. That's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. And as usual, you can find the link to the PDF file of this lesson in the description box. So, until next time, khair.